Hey guys, Abby here. How are you guys doing today? Today I am bringing you uh, some information I found on a fellow YouTuber's channel. It's a urologist and pelvic surgeon. Her name is Dr. Rena Malik. Um, and she had an interesting video that I thought I would bring you the information that I learned off of it. And it was a scientifically proven way to slow down the race and, you know, not get to the finish line so quick. So, hopefully this is I learned a few new things, some things I had kind of already known. Not that I really need to because I don't have those parts. But here we are. So I thought I'd bring them to you. Hopefully you found this interesting, learned something new. Enjoy. So, yeah, we'll get started here in just a sec. Got red today. All right. So, the first question we have for this is, how long do people normally last in bed? What is the average time from the beginning of penetration to the end? It is about 5.7 minutes. And if you're comfortable with that, great. You are right where you should be. However, surveys that have been done, most people say that they would like to last a little longer, more like 7 to 13 minutes. So, what's a guy to do? First off, as I always say, have an open and honest conversation with your partner about these things, such things. What is working for you both that you are doing? What isn't? Do you guys want more foreplay? More stimulation in other ways than penetration? And if you're both on the same page with how things are going, then fantastic. Don't change a thing. However, studies show that about 30% of men struggle from premature ejaculation, and only 9% actually see a doctor for it. Premature ejaculation can be defined by three major components. One, having ejaculation within 1 to 2 minutes of penetration, inability to delay it in nearly all encounters, and that it causes a negative personal consequence such as distress, bother, anxiety, or frustration. So, if any of those three things apply to you, listen up, because there's some scientifically proven ways to change that. It says it is a reflex caused by friction and how your brain perceives it, for example, as pleasurable. Typically, men will try 5 or more things to fix it before actually seeing their doctor. So, the question is, how can it be treated? Psychotherapy or tango therapy to treat the things like guilt and depression, stress are all contributing factors to it being premature. So people have reported an 8 times increase in time just by doing those things. Some of you may already do this, the start-stop method. You know, when you're close to that point, have your partner squeeze your penis until erection partially goes away. This Dr. Malik also suggests doing this 3 times before allowing yourself to ejaculate. And doing this 3 times a week, you will see an increase in your time. So, I don't know how pleasurable that would be. Doesn't sound very comfortable, but depends on what your end goal is and how bad you want it, I guess. You can also see a pelvic floor physical therapist. Who even knew there was such a thing? And they can help you identify the muscles used to ejaculate and how you can control them. She had also suggested delay sprays, and I guess these are over the counter and don't need a prescription. Dr. Malik had recommended a couple brands. There was Premature Ejaculation spray, and during a study of this product, they asked men how much time it took them without the spray, and on average it was 6.5 minutes. After using the spray, it went up to 11.5 minutes, so that's kind of a big increase. They also studied the rate of orgasm for both partners with this product, and interestingly enough, it went from 44% up to 66%, which is a big jump as well. Antidepressant medications, you ask why? Because they work on your serotonin and can decrease your libido, and these obviously can only be prescribed by a licensed physician. And there are a few other medications that are used off-label to aid in this, but they do still need a prescription as well. So, there's a few ways to go about changing this if that's a concern for you. I found this to be quite interesting, that there are several ways, and home remedies, and including, therapy and over-the-counter and prescription medications. Pick your poison. If you're interested in seeing the full video, Dr. Malik's full video on this topic, I will include the link in the description to this video. She does list some names of, several names of topical sprays that can be used, like the one I mentioned a little earlier. But that's all I've got, I guess, for today. So if you're new here and you're enjoying our channel and the information I'm bringing you and the stories I'm bringing you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you get a notification every time a new video posts. that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, everyone, love hugs and smoky kisses. Bye.